Got a nice Farmall H here. So Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff up here at the Midland Antique Tractor Association, I believe it is. So looking at some nice tractors. Got a nice A. He's even got the hand crank on it. Stowed for it, should I say. Gotta love these old tractors. Here's the H on the other side. It's a nice case. I don't know much about tractors to speak of. I know how to tear them up. My brother busted the disc in half. There's the crank on this. Not sure what this is. This has got an interesting front end. Let's see what it says it is. Love Tractors Incorporated. It's a Love. Never heard of a Love. It's a 6-cylinder. Cool. Massey Harris. Doing a little work. Looks like he's got her switched over to an alternator. Look at this case over here. He must be pulling with that. Look at the suitcase weights he's got on her. Huh. Look at how the wheels are all bolted. I like the eagle decal. Yeah, he's got this dude set up for pulling. He's gonna be out there pulling. This case with the fenders, that's pretty cool. If you don't love that case eagle, you've got other problems. Of the exhaust, this is probably for orchard work. Orchard work. Let's see what it says here. It's a 1951 case DO. I think them fenders are usually for orchard work, so that as the low-hanging branches came up, didn't get hung on anything. It's a nice Ford.
Big, but it's not that big.
Boy, they got this H decked. Look at that cab on an H. Wow. See how you get in. See how nice it is to get in. That ain't too bad. Yeah. I'd get even on that. Got a nice step down here. Hillside hitch. Adjustable hitch of some sort. Never seen that before. Here's a big yeller Minneapolis Moleens Jetstar 3. Love that yeller. Love the yeller. Let's come and look at this little dude over here. Should be Alice Chalmers in that orange, like our Alice Chalmers up there at the property. We're up at the property right now and heard about the tractor show. Figured we'd come down, shop the flea market a little bit. This is kind of cool. It's a cultivator. It's got the engine in the back. Really cool. Limited use, I would think. Pretty neat. This little one here goes a John Deere whizzing by. This is a little dude here. economy tractor. Huh. Not sure. Neat little dude. There's a John Deere 420. It's a neat tractor. Here's the Alice Chalmers. (1958) D17. This is a doodlebug. So this is a 28 or 29 Model A Ford that has been, I'm going to guess it's a truck mount, truck chassis, maybe a double A chassis. They cut it all up, move it all forward, and put tractor tires on the back of it, and a bed, and just use it for plowing and whatnot. Them are called doodlebugs. Like I said, it's a 28 or 29 Model A Ford. I like how he's got the starter wire just hanging there loose. Gotta love a doodlebug once in a while. This is a big John Deere 4000. Good size tractor. A lot newer than most of these we've got out here today. Big diesel. I like the box blade on this. We need a box blade like that. It's got some extra weight on it, so she grades good. It's a 550. Like the loader on it. Forks. This tractor, I think, gets used. This is somebody's daily user. It may be a 62 Oliver. This is somebody's daily user. He uses this all the time, I'll bet. It's got a hole cut in the tip of one of his blades so he can put a trailer hitch ball. It's got a trailer hitch ball on the side, and I'm not sure I've ever seen that before. But it's got John Deere quick release like we've got on the Alice Chalmers. This is a nice tractor. This is a good user. He uses this dude every day, I'll bet. John Deere M 1947 with dualies. Dualies on this little dude. Not sure what this one is. Shepherd diesel. Never heard of a Shepherd before. Got a nice build plate. Nice tractor. Very nice. Belt drive. I had an M with a belt drive on it we used all the time for a buzzsaw. So we'll come back, see if we get some other, oh, here these. They got that one running down there, that Massey Harris, they got her running. So you might say them as farm girls, look corn fed. So we'll probably do another video, see if we get the hit and miss engines and stuff running. So look back for another video, and like I always say, like, comment, and subscribe. God bless you and God bless America. Hey, I got my ears lowered.